Today we are here at Doorman Products to see what's so cool about manufacturing.
Let's take a look.
Doorman started back in 1978. It was founded by two brothers, Richard and Stephen Berman. The first lines that they developed and launched was the Help product lines. It was designed to help DIYs and consumers fix their vehicles more cost effectively. 1918 to 2022, the company has been focusing on innovative solutions that help the end user.
Today I'm going to be highlighting a single part, but we have a lot of different parts here at Doorman. Here we have the iterative process where we started with the original part. We have some 3D printed prototypes, and ultimately we have the final product, which we've actually chosen to make out of metal. So this is a laser scanner. It's called a coordinate measuring machine. It allows us to fully understand the size and the shape of this part. So when you're asking innovation and cool parts and what's so cool at manufacturing, the innovation actually starts in this room with the technology. It's not just with the parts that we're manufacturing, it's how we collect the data to manufacture them.
And this is the final stop before it gets released to the market. So here we have an OE, and here we have the Doorman model. Basically what an engineer would do, bring me down this one, I would take this out of the car, look at it, and I'm going to compare any differences between the two. We pop it on the engine, like so. So it's very important that we make sure that everything lines up perfectly, monitor it for a little bit, and see if there's any immediate, say, oil leaking out of it, and take note of that, report back to the engineer, and they'll make any adjustments if needed.
The coolest thing, Doorman, is our culture. The second coolest thing about Doorman from a product and manufacturing side, we think of ourselves as the Apple of the automotive company. If you do some research and go out there and look at different types of companies, again, they stay in their lanes. We let the problems drive where we go. We've come out with parts that no one else has ever even thought of coming out with.
Doorman is what's cool about manufacturing.